Good afternoon. Back on the doors. I have them mounted on the hinges. And you can see the gaps are pretty good. I got a little tight spot right in here which I can work with. And then it opens up a little bit in here which I can run a bead, a weld, and feather that in. But other than that, it fits pretty nice. Okay, and here's the driver's side. This one fits pretty well too, but it is a little tight around this radius here, which I can work with that. I can open that gap up, but it fits pretty well. Alright, it's Sunday, August 18th, maybe 19th, not sure. Got the doors mounted. They're looking good. As you can see, I still got some work to do along the trim or the window edge there. But I have those mounted. Just finished up mounting the deck lids. Whoa. I'm doing basically a sunken license plate area there. I'll finish that up, but I wanted to at least get it mounted. Seams or the gaps all look pretty good. A little adjustment needed. Got the passenger side. Again, the gaps look pretty decent. And then I did put the trunk lid on. It's sitting up a little high. Again, I got to do some adjustments, but gaps are pretty decent. Pretty much got them set with really no effort at all. It lines up pretty well. Anyway, that's kind of what I've done the last couple days. Not a whole lot, but I'm trying to get it set up so I can do a polyester surfacer on it. But I still have a few areas I got to clean up. So hopefully next couple weeks I'll be able to get to that point. And a while ago, I'm not sure if I showed it, but here's my dolly. And I've actually cut a section here and a section there on all four posts. So basically I can drop this whole dolly down. I believe it's about another 10 inches, 13 inches. That way it'll make spraying much easier, seeing that it's lower to the ground. But I won't do that until I'm ready to paint. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Have a good week.